Ayia Thekla Templ. This is a beautiful white church standing on the shores of the blue sea. Tourists come here to contemplate the beauty of this place. In the white arches of the temple, you can take beautiful photos against the background of the blue sea expanse and the sky. Nearby is a beautiful beach with stunning white sand. If you arrive at sunset, then you can immediately dine in a restaurant with a playground. An underground cave temple was found in the same area. It probably used to be an ancient tomb and was converted into a church during the Byzantine period. Saint Thekla was a disciple of the Apostle Paul. She was thrown to be eaten by wild animals, but they obediently lay down at the feet of the maiden. The astonished ruler released the saint, after she settled in the Syrian desert, healing the sick and performing miracles. Now, Thekla's relics are stored in a monastery not far from Larnaca.